My dear friend, in this chapter we will be studying today torsion pendulum. What is torsion pendulum? Okay, a heavy body like a cylinder, disc fastened at its midpoint, to a fairly long and thin wire suspended from a rigid support, constitutes a torsion pendulum. Okay, a heavy body like a cylinder, or a disc fastened at its midpoint, to a fairly long and thin wire, fairly long and thin wire suspended from a rigid support, suspended from a rigid support, constitutes a torsion pendulum, torsional pendulum. Okay, constitutes a torsional pendulum. Okay, the disc or cylinder is now turned through some angle theta. The disc is now turned through some angle theta due to this or restoring torsional couple. The disc is now turned through some angle theta due to this or restoring torsional couple, equal to C theta is produced in the wire, which tends to bring it back into its original condition, where C is restoring force. Couple per unit angular twist of the wire. Okay, and I is moment of inertia of the disc, and I is the moment of inertia of the disc. Okay, about the wire as axis passing through its center, and d square theta upon dt square is its angular acceleration. The couple acting on it is also given by I d square theta by dt square. Hence, I d square theta upon dt square equal to minus c theta. Okay, the angular acceleration, the couple acting on it is also given by I d square theta by dt square, because alpha equal to I omega square, and alpha equal to minus c theta. Minus c minus sign indicates the body is moving in opposite directions. Okay. Then where minus VE sign indicates minus VE sign indicates that the restoring couple attack is oppositively directed to the angular displacement theta. Okay. Then d square theta upon dt square equal to minus c upon I into theta equal to minus mu theta. Okay, where c upon I equal to mu, the angular acceleration per unit displacement. The angular acceleration per unit displacement, per unit angular displacement. Okay. Then d square theta upon dt square is directly proportional to minus theta. Thus the angular acceleration is directly proportional to its angular displacement and is directed oppositively to it. Okay. Thus the angular acceleration is directly proportional to its angular displacement. And is directed oppositively to it. Okay. Thus the angular acceleration is directly proportional to its angular displacement and is directly oppositively to it. Okay. Hence the torsion pendulum execution and angular simple harmonic motion and its time period will be t equal to 2 pi under root of I upon mu, that is 2 pi under root of I upon c. Okay, I upon c. Merits of torsion pendulum. Merits of torsion pendulum. Okay. What is the merits and demerits? Okay. Merits of torsion pendulum. First point. In torsion pendulum, no approximation have been made in deriving the relation for time period. Unlike in the case of simple pendulum or a compound pendulum, like theta should be very small, hence the time period of a torsional pendulum remains unaffected. Oscillation remains isochronous even if the amplitude be large. This is because the center of gravity of the suspended body, instead of moving in an arc, remains fixed in its position too. The time period of the pendulum is quite independent of the value of G. The time period of the pendulum is quite independent of the value of G. The time period of the pendulum is quite independent the value of the gravity. Okay. The time period independent on the gravity G. Okay. Thank you. Next is a Helmholtz resonator. What is Helmholtz resonator? Okay. We will study about Helmholtz resonator. Okay. Thank you.